Okay guys, today is another perfect day for the Bitcoin. We don't have a lot of volume, so I'm gonna hide the volume because it's taking too much of a screen. So yesterday we had actually the bounce from a downtrend resistance that I forgot to show actually in the previous video. So this downtrend resistance was formed at a previous all-time high and the top after a sell-off that we had after all-time high. So this downtrend resistance, we had a bounce from this downtrend resistance, but currently we're actually having breakout of this downtrend resistance on the 4-hour time frame, but also we got top of previous candle, which is 42.3k for somewhere in that area, which we are currently testing. So maybe we're gonna actually see a breakout in life. But so MACD, let's watch other indicators. MACD is looking neutral. RSI is obviously overbought. We're having this huge bull run. Obviously RSI will be overbought. MA ribbon is currently we are trading above MA ribbon, which is a bullish sentiment. Daily, sadly, yesterday we had a red close, so we're just having 10 green days in a row, but that's okay. MACD is looking neutral, but more in a bullish way. And I mean MACD. RSI is obviously is insane overbought, especially during this streak. Yeah, and again, a 50 MA is curving more to the upside, is curving closer to the golden cross, which would be another bullish indicator. So obviously daily is in general is looking positive right now. So currently testing this resistance. Let's move on to the weekly time frame is looking more bullish than it was before. Yeah, currently we're trading above all of the previous candles that we had in May, June, July, if you're not gonna count two candles that we had in a dump. So yeah, since these 2 months we are currently trading above all these candles. MACD is looking insanely good. Is currently finishing the red phase of MACD, and RSI is just a little bit overbought on a weekly. And we had a monthly close just recently, and again we had a monthly close above the previous month, like literally above even the shadow of this candle. So this is nice. Obviously we are starting the new month. We may see some small pullback. That's normal, like a couple percent, but in general a monthly is looking bullish. So yeah, that's all pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news that we got, and we're gonna start with some report from the street. By the way, the street is owned by Jim Cramer, so I don't know if you can call this resource is the most valuable. I mean the most trustworthy, but whatever. So Golden Tree, it's an asset management firm that is based in New York with a $55 billion under management. So apparently this firm has been adding an undisclosed OTC probably to its balance sheet I mean, undisclosed bitcoins to its balance sheet, according to the report from the street. So that's some news from Golden Tree, from hedge funds, and some positive news from a hedge fund. So we got some positive article on a Bitcoin. So venture capital firms and large investors are driving up the price of crypto startups, and boutique investment firms and family offices are being elbow out by big venture capital firms, private equity funds, and even some pension funds. So a lot of competition for the Bitcoin, as you can see. And also we got some small FUD, which is not that significant. Kentucky regulators crack down on BlockFi interest-bearing accounts. So the main topic of this is BlockFi now has problems with regulators from 5 states. And I mean, I hope it's gonna be fixed, but it's not that big of a news. We got some news from CBDs in South Africa. So South African Reserve Bank has once again confirmed that the central bank is presently studying the feasibility of issuing a digital currency. That's news from South Africa. After that, we got some article about the Fed Governor Lael Brainard, and she's saying that she can imagine future without a digital version of a US dollar. So that's pretty much all news for today. Last news was about CBDs. As you can see, we don't have a lot of news, but we have tons of positive TA for the Bitcoin. And also forgot to tell you, we on a daily time frame, if you're gonna look at BNB is currently actually having 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. BNB is currently having, on a Binance exchange by the way, 12 green daily candles in a row. And by the way, same goes with Ethereum. This is interesting. Very interesting streaks is currently going in altcoins BNB and Ethereum, and also we are seeing some pullback in a Bitcoin dominance, but I don't have a lot of analysis on that one. So that's the current state of the Bitcoin. Everything is looking, oh my god, it's actually breaking up. Everything is looking insanely bullish and perfect. We are currently having this uptrend support and tons of small support, so a lot of hope for a Bitcoin. Also, you can follow us on the YouTube, like, subscribe. You can listen to us on Apple Podcasts. For more daily updates, you can follow us on Twitter. So that's all for the TA and news for today. To the moon, guys.